Welcome to Jotform. My name is George, and today I'm going to show you how to embed your Google Sheet or Jot table on your form. So follow me to my desktop right now. Alright, so here we have a test form. So let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do is go into Add Form Elements, go into the Widget section, and we're going to search for iframe. Once we're here, we're going to add this iframe right here. Right, and then we're going to go into the widget settings. Now, we need the URL from Google Sheets. So let's head on over to Google Sheets. This is the Google Sheet I just created for testing purposes, and we're going to go into Share. We're going to go into Change and make sure it's anyone with this link. Let's copy this link. Let's go back to our form, and where is this right here? Frame URL. Let's add it right here, and let's update the widget. And now we have the Google Sheet embedded right here. Let's go ahead and preview this form. Okay, here's a preview of the form, and here's our Google Sheet. We can view it like that. Okay, let's go back. Let's go into widget settings, remove this link, update widget. And what happens if we want to embed our Jot tables? Well, let's go into our Jot table right here. Let's go into Share. Let's copy this link, make sure it's a public table. Let's go back to our form. Let's paste our URL right here, update widget. And here you go. Let's go ahead and preview this. And here's our Jot table embedded also. Well, that is how you embed your Google Sheet and Jot table on Jotform. We thank you all for watching, and we'll see you on our next tutorials.